Laser pointers. A tiny gadget with a glowing red dot that everyone has seen. But how did this simple tool begin? Its story actually starts in scientific laboratories, not classrooms. In 1960, physicist Theodore Maiman created the very first working laser. It wasn't small at all. In fact, it was a large, experimental device that produced a concentrated beam of light. Scientists were fascinated. They called lasers a solution looking for a problem. For years, lasers remained inside research labs. They were used in experiments, communications, and even medicine. But then, engineers discovered a way to shrink them. By the late 1960s and early 1970s, semiconductor lasers were born. These were tiny, efficient, and could fit inside consumer products. The first handheld laser pens appeared in the 1980s. They were bulky, heavy, and extremely expensive. Only scientists and specialists could afford them. A single pointer could cost hundreds of dollars. But technology kept improving. By the early 1990s, laser diodes became cheap and reliable. This was the breakthrough. Suddenly, the laser pointer transformed into a small, pocket-sized tool. Now teachers, presenters, and lecturers could highlight their ideas with a single glowing dot. The gadget quickly spread worldwide. In classrooms, it replaced the traditional stick or chalk tap. In boardrooms, it became the ultimate business accessory. Even pet owners discovered that cats loved chasing the red beam. The once exclusive laboratory technology had entered daily life. But laser pointers also raised concerns. People realized that shining a laser at eyes could be dangerous. Laws and safety standards soon followed. In some countries, powerful laser pointers were banned. Still, their popularity never faded. Today, laser pointers are everywhere, cheap enough to buy for a few dollars, powerful enough to point at stars in the night sky, and fun enough to become a toy for curious pets. From a giant machine in a physics lab to a tiny gadget in your pocket, the laser pointer is proof of how advanced technology can become part of ordinary life. Next time you see that little red dot, remember, it carries a history of science, innovation, and everyday invention.